Have you ever wondered why professional cleaners make a home sparkle in just minutes, while we struggle for hours and still don't get that same shine? Why does their cleaning feel effortless, almost magical? What if I told you that pros don't clean more? They just clean smarter, using hidden techniques most people have never even heard of? Tonight, I'm revealing the exact secrets professionals use to clean homes fast, flawlessly, and without stress. And once you try them, you may never clean the same way again. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because these kinds of powerful cleaning insights will completely transform the way you clean your home. The top-to-bottom rule that saves hours. One of the biggest mistakes people make is cleaning randomly. Pros never do that. They follow a strict top-to-bottom flow, and this single rule cuts cleaning time nearly in half. Start with ceiling corners, fans, and shelves, then move down to counters, furniture, and finally the floors. This method prevents dust from falling on areas you've already cleaned. It's simple, but it eliminates repeat cleaning. The exact reason professional cleaners look like they work fast and effortlessly. The power of pre-soaking. Let the dirt do the work. Professionals don't waste time scrubbing endlessly. Instead, they let the products work for them. This is called pre-soaking, spraying surfaces and stepping away. For kitchens, bathrooms, tiles, and even stoves, pros spray the cleaner first and allow the grease or grime to soften. While it sits, they move on to another area. By the time they return, the dirt wipes off with minimal effort. It's not speed, it's smart timing. Microfiber, the secret weapon of every professional cleaner. If you still use old cotton rags, you're already losing time. Professionals rely on microfiber cloths because they trap dust, pick up more dirt, and leave fewer streaks. They even color-code their cloths: blue for glass, green for counters, yellow for bathrooms, and red for toilets. This avoids cross-contamination and keeps hygiene at a professional level. It's a small secret, but it makes a big difference. The S-pattern wipe, not circles. You've seen most people wipe in circles, right? That just pushes dirt around. Pros use the S-pattern wipe, a smooth side-to-side sweep that pulls dirt to one direction. This prevents fingerprints, streaks, and missed spots. Windows, mirrors, and countertops instantly look cleaner with this method. Try it once, and you'll never wipe in circles again. Basket method: clear first, clean later. Professional cleaners never clean around clutter. Instead, they take one basket and sweep all small items, remotes, chargers, keys, bottles, into it. Then they clean the surfaces properly. After cleaning, they organize the basket items last. Steam, the silent weapon for deep cleaning. When professionals encounter tough grease, mold, or buildup, they don't scrub aggressively, they steam it. Steam loosens grime, kills bacteria, melts grease, and disinfects without chemicals. From shower corners to microwave walls to stove knobs, steam handles what scrubbing can't. Using the right tools, pros never overwork. Cleaning isn't about strength, it's about strategy. Professionals choose tools that do the hard work for them. Extendable dusters for ceiling corners, rubber squeegees for glass. Most people clean with the wrong tools and end up scrubbing forever. Pros always pick the tool that solves the problem quickly and safely. The 5-minute room reset. Professional cleaners know the secret to long-term cleanliness isn't deep cleaning, it's maintenance. Every room gets a quick 5-minute reset. Pick up clutter, wipe the main surface, restore the room to its default state. This keeps the house looking professionally maintained without doing full cleanups every day. All these techniques may look simple, but together, they completely transform how you clean your home. No stress, no long hours, no unnecessary effort, just smart, professional methods that make cleaning faster, cleaner, and more satisfying. Try these tonight, and you'll see your home in a completely new way. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community, where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. If you enjoyed these professional cleaning secrets, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started with powerful hacks that will transform your home and your life.